Hi, I'm Bruce, and this is Cleanse Tech, and this is Dish Machine 101. Today we're going to talk about the Hobart. This is the AM15 Ventless system. This machine is a single rack machine. Today we're going to talk about the proper way to break down the machine and to clean the machine. The rinse arm unscrews very simply. Take that out. If the holes get clogged, it's very simple to take a toothpick or a paper clip, stick it into the hole, puncture it, push the dirt back in, and you take the cap off on the end of the arm. Take this cap off, take the other cap off, run some water through the arm, and it flushes it clean. The bottom arm will lift right out. And again, the same way. Any food soil, any dirt caught in the arms, this one's pretty clean. Push it back in, and a little bit of water flushes it out through the holes. The rack guide lifts out. You can take that out of the machine completely. We're going to take the strainer basket out and the tray. At the same time, let's drain this machine down. Okay, we want to make sure that there's nothing caught in the drain. So let's lift the drain out. You'll notice on the end of the drain is the O-ring. If this O-ring is not present, the machine will lose water. Also, you want to make sure that there's no fork, spoon, or straw caught, like my finger is, holding the drain slightly open. So let's take a look in the bottom of the tank and make sure that there's nothing down there. This one is pretty clean. We want to make sure that the float has nothing on it. Let's put it back together in the reverse. Put the drain in. Tray goes back into the machine. Strainer basket. One thing is very important, the bushing for the arm. This plastic bushing is very important to help the arm spin. Make sure that it's there. We're going to screw on the rinse arm. And notice on the top there's also a second set of arms. We'll be doing the same thing to the upper arms also. The rack guide hooks on in the back here, on both hooks. And now this machine is ready to go. Close the door. The machine will automatically fill. When it's done filling, it'll heat up. The chemicals that are used on here, again, we have rinse fluid. This particular operation is feeding 2 machines at one time. Just want to make sure that the tubing comes out of the bottom so it goes into the bottom. And of course you want to make sure that the spout is lifted up in the air. This can be bone dry, clear dry, speed dry, or any one of a number of our different products. It's important to have the spout up in the air like this. This way any water going on top of the container, dirty water, does not go into the bucket and rinse with dirty water. It'll just go right onto the floor. Again, we're using Action Caps in here, which is a high-performance detergent. And our pre-soaking solution is solid green. Something very important though, you also want to make sure that if you have a booster next to the machine, that the booster is turned on. Without that pilot light on, you're going to be in health department violation. That's going to be on, and this will make 180-degree water sanitizing our dishes and glasses. Okay, we've checked to see that the machine has refilled itself now, and all that's necessary now is to take an item, whatever you feel like washing, put it into the machine, and that's it. The cycle has stopped, but the door light is on, telling you to keep the door closed. Right now this machine is evacuating all the steam out of the machine, and it's absorbing the steam and converting it down into water so that the room does not fill up with steam when we open the doors. Once this light goes out, we'll be able to open the door, and hopefully not too much steam will come out. The light went out, and now it's okay to open the door. A little bit of steam has come out, but not as much as you'd normally have. I'm Bruce, this is Cleanse Tech, and this is Dish Machine 101.